When it comes to electric bikes, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults stands out as a powerful and versatile option designed for both commuters and mountain enthusiasts alike. With its robust 1200W motor and impressive speed capabilities, the Qlife bike is engineered to deliver an exhilarating ride while maintaining practicality for everyday use. One of the most striking features of the Qlife Electric Bike is its peak power of 1,200 watts, which propels it to a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour. This is particularly beneficial for urban commuters who are often pressed for time. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, allowing riders to merge into traffic with confidence. The powertrain is designed to handle steep inclines, making it an excellent choice for those who live in hilly areas or enjoy off-road adventures. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or tackling rugged mountain trails, this bike offers the performance to keep up with your lifestyle. The bike's frame is constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, which ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. The design is both sleek and modern, making it visually appealing while remaining practical. The front and rear suspension provide a comfortable ride, absorbing shocks effectively regardless of the terrain. Riders will appreciate the stability and control this bike offers, especially on bumpy paths or uneven surfaces. Battery life is another crucial aspect of any electric bike, and the Qlife does not disappoint. It features a removable lithium-ion battery with a capacity that allows for a range of approximately 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This makes it a reliable option for daily commutes or leisurely rides without the constant worry of running out of battery. The charging time is quite reasonable, taking around 4 to 6 hours to recharge fully. Plus, the convenience of being able to remove the battery for charging means you can easily charge it indoors or in your office. The bike comes equipped with 3 riding modes: electric, pedal assist, and traditional bike mode. This versatility allows riders to choose how much effort they want to put in, making it suitable for various fitness levels and preferences. The pedal assist mode is particularly useful for longer rides, where you can conserve battery life while still enjoying a workout. The ability to switch between modes seamlessly enhances the riding experience, making it adaptable to different situations. In terms of safety features, the Qlife Electric Bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, which offer reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The bike also features bright LED lights for visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring you remain seen by motorists and pedestrians alike. The reflective strips on the tires add an extra layer of safety, making the bike a great choice for late-night commutes. The Qlife Electric Bike is user-friendly and easy to assemble. Most customers report that they were able to put the bike together in under an hour, thanks to the clear instructions provided. Adjustments to the seat and handlebars are straightforward, allowing riders to customize their setup for maximum comfort. Additionally, the bike is designed to accommodate a wide range of body types, making it accessible for many different riders. One aspect that could be improved is the weight of the bike. At around 66 pounds, it may be a bit cumbersome for some users, particularly when it comes to lifting it onto a bike rack or carrying it upstairs. However, the weight is a trade-off for the robust features and construction, so it's a consideration rather than a deal-breaker. Another minor drawback is the lack of advanced tech features such as a built-in display or smartphone connectivity. While the bike performs admirably without these features, having an LCD screen with speed, battery life, and distance tracking could enhance the riding experience. Overall, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults is a formidable choice for anyone in the market. For a high-performance electric bike. With its powerful motor, versatile riding modes, and solid construction, it's well-suited for both daily commuting and weekend mountain biking adventures. While it may be slightly on the heavier side and lacks some high-tech features, the bike's strengths far outweigh these.